Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry. As you were talking to her. On the edge of the cone. Okay, prepared. Let her figure out just a little bit on the chair how to get to it. You won't frustrate her too much, but I kind of want to see like her stick her head in there. But I think she'll give us the dive under. Oh, she didn't realize there was a screen there. Yeah, you're on tape. And there you go.
Yes.
Nice. Good girl.
Good girl. Good job.
And if you reach underneath, okay, her hot dog is still on there on the.
Oh.
You can pull the whole thing down
I
if you
got
want.
it.
There it is. Perfect.
Okay. I'm gonna go to that triangle.
Okay. You don't have to go super fast.
That's true. I remember that.
Odor changed a little bit with the door opening and closing. Nice job fitting herself through the little holes. Increases speed. So now she's between two, so she's trying to have to figure both of them out and that one. So that's where you're getting the circling. And when we're back a little bit further, we can see it. So there's that circle to that, circle to that. This is the fireplace. Then she get lured by the other table. Almost there. Thinking about it. Why is the odor not on top of this table? Ooh, nice little skid step there in the rear. Bracket there. Catching on the fireplace. Little weeble wobble here. All the odors going to these tables and chairs. Stutter step at that one. So you have a whole bunch of these pace changes. You can hear it in the floor too, the skid steps of her feet. Just need to turn back. There we go. Turn back. Oh. Keep going. Keep going the other way. Keep going the other way. You almost got yourself stopped there. Nice. Like the eyeballing you. Good. So if you want to move triangles, because you don't, oh, never mind. Yep, that's it. That's it, right there.
Yay,
Good girl.
Yes, good job.
Good girl.
Good job. Good girl. Uh-oh. Here, I'll get it. I'll get it. Should
I can take it off. That's fine.
Oh, there's your
Just as long as she gets her hot dog.
Okay, I'm gonna go to that triangle now.
Okay, nice and slow. Now still the cot between two, right? The high is the table, then this is the fireplace. You can see her slowing herself down just like Tally did too. Like the whole I'm not going to miss it. Get lured by the table hide. Just gonna recheck that, that's fine. It's like, it's gone. Everything's going and sucking into this table area and this area. Almost. There we go. Going deep. Just needs that turn back now. She seems to go a little deeper under the table. She's expecting it on top of the table. Nice, good girl.
All right, now I'm gonna go.
I try not to wave the hot dog bag in front of her. Good, nice, that's circling and up. What you catching? Nice churn. And I would take this.
Yay!
Yep, there you go. Good.
Yes.
Good, because she's been searching a long time for a baby dog. Good girl. Nicely done. Good. Good. She did really well with that.